Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on my video. Today we're going to go through 3 powerful free tools for eBay sellers. The first tool is watchcount.com, where you can see what eBay items have the most watchers. There's also other kind of cool features as well. I actually really like this here, the no bids ending soon search is pretty neat. So if you go there and you type in a keyword, it'll say video game lot. Let's just take a look at that. And it'll come up and show you all the auctions ending soon that have no bids on them yet. And since there's just so many listings on eBay, you can really find some gems when you go through these lists, and you can find some profitable flips and such. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so go ahead and give that a try out at some point. But you can also just use watch count to see what is trending and what people are interested in on eBay. Just say Nike, most watched eBay items for Nike, and then it'll show you, yeah, this has 4,478 watchers, so people are very interested in that item, and it's a really good way for you to find what people are interested in and what's trending and such. There's next tool is Check a Flip, which is a really cool tool. When you go to just checkaflip.com, it'll automatically come up with something filled in for you, so you can kind of see what the tool does. But you can type in your keyword or your item, and you can say used or new. So let's just say iPhone. And it'll show you completed listings and current listings, and this will give you a good idea of if you're going to be buying a actual profitable item to flip, and you can use it to find profitable flips on eBay as well, which is really cool. Okay, and the third tool is a Google Chrome extension. So you'll have to be using the Chrome browser, but it's called Clear, C-L-E-E-R, and it's the completed listings on eBay. So I have it added on my Chrome already, and I'll show you what you can do with it. You can highlight text on any web page you're on, and then you right-click on there and go to the completed listings eBay, and it'll bring up a new window with all the completed listings with that title on eBay for you. It's a really neat tool that just saves you time when you're trying to see completed listings on items and do product research and stuff for your eBay selling. So I would highly recommend you check out those 3 free tools to help you make more money selling on eBay. Thanks for watching the video, and please like and subscribe.